Proof here. We have the given information, and I just wrote it on 2 lines. You can write it on 1 line, whatever. So that's given to us. There's not much else to do here except to prove that angle P is congruent to angle R. Now, we can't really do that yet, but we can try to prove the triangles are congruent. And I noticed that we have a reflexive property. So I'm going to say that QS is congruent to QS by the reflexive property. That means that these triangles are now congruent by side, angle, side, right? We have side, angle, side. So I can say that triangle PQS is congruent to triangle RQS by SAS congruency. And then if you remember, all we need to do to show that angle P is congruent to angle R, so I can say that it's that theorem that allows us to say that once we prove these triangles are congruent, every part about them is congruent. So this side's congruent to that side. This side's congruent to this side right here. And as we want to prove, this angle has to be congruent to this angle over here, R. And that is all by our favorite one, CP, CT, C. CP, CT, C. So you first prove the triangles are congruent, and then you can kind of go anywhere from there with CP, CT, C.